Hey and welcome back to another Daniel Meltzer photography video. Today I will be talking about the Asahi Pentax Spotmatic SP2. What a gigantic name that is. The SP2 was introduced by Asahi in 1971 and was produced until 1976. It's a 35mm single-lens reflex with pentaprism eye-level viewfinder which uses CdS TTL stop-down match needle exposure metering. I'm going to put this sentence below in case you didn't get everything. The camera is entirely mechanical apart from the light meter that was powered by a 1.35 volt PX400 mercury cell. Those are not available anymore, but Asahi engineers built in a bridge circuit into the metering so you can use 1.5 volt silver oxide cells. The SP2 is a updated version of the Spotmatic SP1. The main differences are a added Hotshoe, a switch for X and FP flash sync, and the ISO range was increased to 3200. The SP1 only went up to 1600. So let's have a closer look. On this side we got the knob that says SW on it. This knob activates the metering and the needle on the right side of the viewfinder. The needle indicates over and under exposing by going up and down. If the needle is in the middle, you're good to go. The knob will also stop down the lens, so it's also a depth of field preview button. Down here we got the FP and X flash ports. On this side we got the self timer. So you just pull that down and press this button and wait. Over here we got the film rewind crank to rewind the film. Down here we got the flash selection dial. Where you can choose between FP and X. Over here we got the shutter selection dial, which goes from 1 second to 1000 of a second plus AB mode, and the ISO selection dial or ISO selection dial, which goes from 20 to 3200. Over here we got the winder with a film counter inside. Down here we got the battery chamber, the tripod mount, and the film release button, so you can rewind the film. Thanks for liking, sharing and commenting on this video. Next video is going to be about the Spotmatic SP1.